Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn outline summary of properties of types of quadrilateral. Students, here one table is given and in this table here types of quadrilateral are given, that is square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. And here properties of quadrilateral are given, like all sides are equal, opposite side parallel and equal, all angles are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals are equal, perpendicular and bisect. Students, here we have to check these properties are applicable for these types of quadrilateral or not. I repeat, students, here we have to check these properties are applicable or not applicable for these types of quadrilateral. Students, here I have drawn figure of each type of quadrilateral, that is square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Now we are going to check first property for these types of quadrilateral. Now first property is all sides equal. Now students, in which types of quadrilateral all sides are equal? In square, yes, in square all sides are equal. In rectangle, no. Here all sides are not equal. Here all sides are not equal. In rhombus, yes, in rhombus all sides are equal. In trapezium, no, all sides are not equal. Therefore, we write S for square and rhombus only. Square S and rhombus S. And for remaining quadrilaterals, we can write no. Y means S and N means no. Therefore, all sides are equal in square and rhombus only. Now, second property, opposite sides parallel and equal. Here, now you can see these figures. In which types of quadrilateral opposite sides are equal and parallel? Here, in square opposite sides equal and parallel. In rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel. In parallelogram also opposite sides equal and parallel. In rhombus opposite sides equal and parallel. But in trapezium opposite sides are not equal, but only one pair is parallel. Therefore, square opposite sides parallel and equal, rectangle opposite sides parallel and equal. In parallelogram opposite sides parallel and equal. In rhombus opposite sides parallel and equal. In trapezium opposite sides are not equal, but one pair is parallel. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. Therefore, here we write only one pair. Now, next property, all angles are equal. Now students, we have to check in which types of quadrilateral all angles are equal. In square, all angles are equal. Yes, all angles are 90 degree. In rectangle, all angles are equal. Yes, all angles are 90 degree. In parallelogram, all angles are equal. No, only opposite angles are equal. Therefore, here No. In rhombus, all angles are not equal. In trapezium also, all angles are not equal. Therefore, for square S, for rectangle S, and for remaining types of quadrilateral, no. Now next, opposite angles equal. Now we have to check in which types of quadrilateral opposite angles are equal. In square, opposite angles are equal. In rectangle, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In rhombus, opposite angles are equal. But in trapezium, opposite angles are not equal. Therefore, here we can write yes, and for trapezium we can write no. Now, next property, diagonals are equal. We check one by one. Diagonals are equal. Here, in square diagonals are equal. In rectangle diagonals are equal. In parallelogram diagonals are not equal. In rhombus diagonals are not equal. In trapezium also diagonals are not equal. Now, here only for square and rectangle we can write S, and for remaining types of quadrilateral we can write no. Now next, perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. Here in square diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here rectangle, in rectangle diagonals are not perpendicular. In parallelogram diagonals are not perpendicular. In rhombus diagonals are perpendicular, and in trapezium diagonals are not perpendicular. Therefore, only in square and rhombus diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, for square we can write S, and for rhombus we can write S, and for remaining types of quadrilateral we can write no. Now last, diagonals are bisect to each other. Here bisect means divided into two equal parts. Therefore, here diagonals are bisect to each other. Here diagonals are bisect to each other. Here also in parallelogram diagonals are bisect to each other. Here in rhombus diagonals are bisect to each other, means length, this length and this length are equal. This and this length are equal. Therefore, and in trapezium diagonals are not bisect to each other. Therefore, for square, rectangle, parallelogram and rhombus diagonals are bisect to each other. Therefore, S here is, and for trapezium we can write no. Students, by using this table you can easily recall all the properties of types of quadrilateral. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.